Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking in on XLK, Apple, and Facebook. So the bulls followed through with some bounce. We broke those lower highs, so that gives us the higher low and a higher high, just in terms of the last couple days of action. But we're still in a lower high pattern. We have the all-time high, our pullback, lower high, lower low, and anything under 63.94 is going to be a lower high. The middle Bollinger Band resistance is dropping down. The bulls are going to test that tomorrow, it looks like. And we'll see. It's probably not going to happen tomorrow, but we're going to be watching into next week. Can the bulls break that level, put a stop to this lower high, lower low pattern, and form a higher low and higher high and head back towards that all-time high? This weekly chart is very healthy consolidation. This is a bull flag after multiple month breakout, and here we had a little mini bull flag, and it's essentially the same thing. We're still holding exponential supports. We have a long lower wick of bulls buying the dip. There are definitely some red flags that were raised on this pullback, but we'll shift our momentum, our attention, back to the bulls if we break the lower high pattern. We're in a state right now where it's pretty much, we're saying to the bulls, you have to prove it to us, break these lower highs, turn things back around, and increase the odds that this is a weekly bull flag looking for new all-time highs and continuation. Apple is in a fairly similar consolidation pattern, a little bit more drawn out, still rejecting from exponential resistance and unable to see follow through. And what we're seeing happen with the tech sector is the names that dumped significantly, like Facebook and Google, they're seeing a more significant bounce, a V-shaped recovery with a lot of power the last 3 days. And the names that didn't dump, Amazon and Apple, have been highlighting how they have been the strongest the last 3 or 4 days. They're not seeing much upside while the other names are catching up. So pretty much a tit for tat thing where the names that dumped are seeing a strong bounce, and the names that didn't, like Apple, they're holding up just fine, but they're not seeing the strength that these other names are seeing on any given day. So the bulls have to get over these exponential resistances. The lower high to break is 172.62, and the weekly time frame here as well. Healthy consolidation, holding the exponential support and trying to form some lower wicks, showing bulls buying the dip. Facebook, there's that V-shaped recovery, so an all-out dump and a very huge bounce. And we closed very strong with a lack of resistance. 2 levels until the all-time high. 181.97, 184.25 are the 2 levels the bulls are looking at. And we just bounced from 169 to 180 in a couple days. Middle Bollinger Band weekly support has held all 2017, and it's currently holding again. Nice save by the bulls this week. We were looking pretty ugly when we were down at the lows there. But now here we are right back at the high of the week. Very significant buying of the dip of the Facebook bulls at this point. Just a little bit more in terms of the V-shaped recovery. I would expect needing a little bit more consolidation before an all-time high, but it's full steam ahead for the bulls right now, and tomorrow will be pretty telling with regard to that, as well as the volume associated with the move. So that's where we stand. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you over the weekend.